Alright, good day guys. So we're moving into a unit on measurement. So we're just learning about some different units that we use to measure the distance or length of things today. Okay, so we have kilometers, meters, centimeters, and millimeters. Okay, and basically all of these units of measurement have the base of a meter, and we just divide them or multiply them in order to get our kilometers and centimeters. So basically what we're going to be doing is converting these units to one another, and we can do this by using our conversion chart. Alright, and that's this thing here, and what I'd like you to do is copy this one down. Okay, now if we're going to convert 3 meters to centimeters, let me show you how we use this. Alright, we're going from meters here, M for meters, to centimeters, cm. Okay, if we're going to do that, we need to times by 100. Alright, so all we're doing is the number of meters times 100. Very happy for you to use your calculator, okay, but of course 3 times 100 is just 100. Okay, so 3 meters, if we're converting 3 meters to centimeters, it's going to be 300 centimeters. Okay, if we're converting 300 centimeters to kilometers, okay, so we're starting at centimeters and we're going to kilometers. Alright, now there's 2 steps here. We need to first divide by 100 and then divide by 1,000. Okay, so you might want to use your calculator for this one. Alright, but we're at 300,000 and we have to divide by 100. Okay, let's calculate that one first. Alright, and then we have to divide by 1,000. Okay, so if we're converting 300 centimeters to kilometers, it's equal to 3 kilometers. Okay, now lastly, we have a sum of distances here. We've got 8 kilometers plus 250 meters and plus 300 centimeters, and we want to express that in meters. Okay, so the very first thing to do is to write all of these, convert all of these into meters. Okay, so we need to convert 8 kilometers into meters and 300 centimeters into meters. Alright, this one's already converted. We already have 250 meters. So 8 kilometers into meters, we can use our chart. So if we're going from kilometers, okay, to meters, we're timesing by 1,000. Alright, so we're going to have 8,000 plus 250, and we're converting 300 centimeters into meters. We have to divide by 100. So we have 300 divided by 100 is 3. So the total amount of meters that we have is 8,253 meters. Okay, so just a brief introduction to measurement and to using some of these distances. You would have used them before, should mostly be revision. Okay, so if I just bring the textbook up here, so the questions that you guys will be doing, now to start with, it just asks you to say, okay, what unit would you use to measure some different things? Okay, so if you're talking about the distance of a plane flight, are you going to measure how far a plane flies in millimeters, or is it going to be kilometers? Okay, are you going to measure the length of a pen? Are you going to use meters, or would you use centimeters? Alright, just think about what you would like to do. Okay, now with these ones, these might be a bit tricky. Okay, the length of a car would be, well, it could be 50 centimeters, it could be 5 meters, 5 millimeters, or 500 millimeters. The part where you might get confused is, well, how much is 500 millimeters compared to 5 meters? You might need to convert some of those. Alright, but otherwise you just need to have a bit of a guess for those. Alright, questions 3, 4 and 5, you're just converting. Okay, converting 4 meters to centimeters, converting 800 centimeters into meters. Alright, then we get to use our ruler, measure some distances, some more conversions, and then what we have, here are some worded problems. Now they might be a little bit tricky, but I just want you, if you're struggling, what you should do is draw a diagram, because that can help you out a bit. All right, so just read them and have a go at drawing a diagram, see if that helps you. All right.